Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. I have a mold here that I got off of Amazon. This was about $5. It's silicone, and I'll just show you something fun that you can make using this mold. I've got some tempered dark chocolate. This is Calbo, recipe 811. I'm just going to get that right in there and just show you the fun you can have with a little bit of chocolate and a very inexpensive mold. You can make these really small and then just put them onto a cake as a little decoration. You can make a really super small one for cupcakes. So I'm just going to let this completely set up. I'm going to put it in the fridge, let it chill 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. Now that our chocolate has completely cooled and solidified, we can just quickly remove it from our mold. And look at that. Isn't that cute? I've just zoomed in just to show you these a little bit closer up. You can see for an inexpensive mold, it did a really good job. So there we have it, another really fast video and a fun thing you can do with a very inexpensive mold. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, check me out at BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.